Welcome to part 7 of the video series, How to Guess a Number. This one we'll talk about the reset button or the play again button. Now, I normally have this visible false, so not until you on your 5th guess will this yellow button show up. So you don't see it. Not until you go through all your guesses. Game over. Then the reset button shows up. And then what happens when I click it? Various things. Puts all 5 images back up. Picks a new random number between 1 and 100. Clears my list box. Puts my cursor back in there and makes itself disappear and puts the guess button back on. So all of those things I'm going to discuss right now. Double click. This part we've already discussed. In fact, I put a comment, just copy and paste it from form load. Randomize, pick a correct num from 1 to 100, set your counter back to 0, and put the new number that the computer picks into the label so you know what it is. This part is new. How do I make all 5 footballs reappear? Well, you could just type, what are mine? I could just type pick football dot visible equals true. Pick football 2 dot visible equals true. Pick football 3 dot visible equals true. I could type that 5 times. But to automate it, I use an array. Dim x as integer, so I set up a quick variable x for x equals 0 to 4. Remember, to a computer, 0 to 4, for us 1 to 5. Fball num x visible true next x. So it starts with x equals 0, makes fball num 0 visible true. That's my first football. Next x. What comes after 0? 1. Fball num 1 visible equals true. That's my second football. Next x. 2. Fball 2 dot visible equals true. My third football. Then it goes to 3. My fourth football. Then it goes to 4. My fifth football. So I automate it. Instead of typing 5 lines, I typed 4 lines. And then finally, clear the list box. List guesses dot items dot clear, parentheses, parentheses. That clears all the list. That clears all the guesses. In the label at the bottom, you notice I put play again. I make the button, the green guess button, true, and I make the reset false. And that's all the coding required for the reset button.